Want to add your friends in Squad Busters but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add friends in Squad Busters. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tap on the Friends button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Add Friends button, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you can add them by scanning the QR code or with Player ID. Tap on any one of the choices. Now enter the player ID. After that, tap on Add Friend button. Then tap on OK button. And that's how you can add friends in Squad Busters. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.